What's up, it's Spixie. Today we're going to be doing while true, and we're going to be doing repeat until loops. So basically these are just basic loops. Loops are very useful in scripts. So yeah, we're just going to put a script in service. I'm just going to name it, I don't know, loop script. Alright. So in order to do this, what we want to do is we want to type, so if we want to do a while true loop, what we want to do is do while true do, and then just press enter and it'll automatically put an end there. And then what we can do in here is we can print, right? No, we can print whatever, we can say hi, right? But before we run this, what happens is this will basically like crash your game in a way, because when it runs this, it runs faster than it can like really render, I guess, in a way, or it just runs too fast basically. And it just runs it really fast, and there's no like certain time it needs to wait, so it just can't handle it, right? So in any while true loop, you can do a wait, and however many seconds you want to wait. So we can just wait like this. We can just do wait 0, or let me actually do task.wait because it's faster. Yeah, you can just do task like that wait. Another way to do while true loops is just do while task.wait do. So you don't have to do while true do and then put in this. You can just do while task.wait do, and then it'll do the same thing. So if we go into here, you can see it starts printing hi pretty fast. So yeah, it's kind of taking a toll on my game. Well, eventually will because of all the prints, but yeah. So what we can do to prevent that is just do print like another thing. So like, let's just make a value, like let's just say local x equals 1. We can just print x. And there we go. Yeah, now we'll just start saying hi 1, hi 1, hi 1, hi 1, hi 1. You can change the high as well if we wanted to, or the x, so I can change for 5 or 6. So yeah, that's basically while true do loops. Very simple, very useful as well. You will use it. There's other loops as well. I don't know, I'll probably put it in advanced or something. We'll do like a pro series where we put other loops in there. It's basically the same thing, but it's just a little bit more confusing. But yeah, so we can do while true loops, and we can do repeat until. So if we do repeat and just press enter, it will automatically put an until. And there's already errors here because what this basically will do is it will repeat, right? It has nothing to repeat yet, but and then until, and we have to have a proposition here. We have to have a statement on we have basically express what we're gonna do it until. So if we say, let's say local x is equal to 1, right? And let's say local y is equal to 5, right? Now, when we have these two variables, we're gonna do until x is equal to y. So now this will, if we just do this, print x, x does not equal to y. If we just print this, oh wait, before we do that, actually we need to do a wait. We also need to do a wait. If we do this, and it will just keep printing x does not equal y, because x does not equal y, obviously, because 1 does not equal 5. So if we want to, if you can think about this yourself, but how do we want to get x to y? And it's pretty simple. We just want to do, let's just do a wait 1 just show, and let's just do x plus equals 1, or x is equal to x plus 1. X plus equals 1 is easier. It's a little bit more confusing because it doesn't really make sense, but just, you can just do that, or you could do x equals x plus 1. I just like doing this because it's faster, obviously. So yeah, x plus equals 1, and then we can print x, and then we can see it go up every 1 second. So 2, 3, 4, 5, and it doesn't print because x does equal y now, because y is 5, and it increased by 1 until it got to 5. So yeah, this was very useful as well. Good for just looping something until something happens. Very useful. Just, 2 useful things that you need to know. So yeah, that was basically repeat until, and that was While True Do. You will definitely see these in some major games, and yeah, you'll probably use this as well in one of your games. So yeah, I hope you learned something new. See ya.